With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our question is, let A be a two non-singular matrix of order 3 such that determinant of A is equal to 3 and A inverse B square plus 2AB is equal to 0. Then the value of determinant of A to the power 4 minus 2A square B is equal to, where O is what? Null matrix of order 3. Okay. Now this is what we have. We have A inverse A inverse B square plus 2AB, okay, is equal to 0. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides with I can say B inverse. Okay, so this kind of thing can be written as what? A inverse, this will be what? B I, and here we have what? 2A, no problem, is equal to 0. Again what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply with both sides A inverse, not A inverse, only A. Don't multiply with A inverse, only multiply with what? A matrix. So this becomes what? B matrix plus, this is what we have, 2A square is equal to 0. So I can say B is equal to minus of 2A square. No problem. Now we need to find this value. So just substitute the value of B here. So you get what? Determinant of A to the power 4 minus 2. Okay, and this is what we have, A square, and here we have value of B is what? Minus 2A square. So that this becomes plus, and this is what? 2A square. So we have what? We have A to the power 4 plus 4A to the power 4. So basically we have what? 5A to the power 4 determinant. Now in question it is given that determinant of A is equal to what? 3. And we know one thing, that if something is constant in the determinant, like this is what? Ka, so this comes out to be what? Something like k to the power n determinant of A. Since A is what? Order of a determinant. Now since it is given that the order of determinant is what? 3, so this kind of thing is equal to what? This comes out to be 5 to the power 3, and this is what? Determinant of A to the power 4. Since we know that determinant of A is what? 3, so that means what? This is 5 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. So according to this, our correct option is what? Option 4, 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.